Sandy at Redna, ang saya naman. Hey, malapit na birthday ni tatay. Ikaw naman magpadama sa kanya. Lahat ng padala, may love na padama. Alam ng LBC yan. And that's why we like to move it. Move it! Kung gusto mo magparamdam, don't just say it, send it! Mismo family mo, right? Well, huwag mag-alala, magpadama. Even if hindi ka pa pwedeng magbalikbayan, laging pwedeng magbalikbayan box. Sa LBC kasi, we like to move your how are yous, I miss yous, I love yous. Basta pa naman, ipa-LBC mo na. Because sa LBC, we like to move it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your newest global brand ambassador, Miss Kris Aquino! There she is.
Thank you. Hi. Yes. Hi.
All right.
It's Wilkinson, right?
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you. Congratulations on a great job. Asia's Got Talent.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Sandy. How are you?
Hi, I'm Mike Amor.
We haven't met. Hi, but thank you for paying on time.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kris Aquino, give her a big
Good
round of
evening.
applause.
Hi. Sandy and I were actually in school together.
Oh, really?
Ang big boss ng LBCS was a batch below me in San Agustin.
Oh, he was a batch below you pa. And then
Yes!
he was the
Pero
boss.
siya ngayon ang puwipirma ng cheque, kaya maraming salamat.
Thanks. Excellent, excellent. Now this is a big deal. You're a busy girl. Everybody's knocking on your door for an endorsement to represent their company. Why did you choose LBC?
Because they promised me 3 years of free LBC shipping card. And I don't think he knows what that entails. I don't think na-realize niya kung gaano ka shopaholic ako. Kaya isang malaking good luck.
That's okay, my wife I think can outdo you.
Okay.
Mike, just Mike.
His wife has a 5 years. Yours is 3 lang.
Yes.
No, just
Oh,
kidding.
tama naman.
Yeah, all right.
No,
Now,
actually because...
What she can do in 3 years is what my wife does in 5 years.
Ah, okay. No, because it really simplifies life. Because for a lot of us, diba, we do have so many brands here available in the Philippines already. But there are certain products that are still just really available in the United States. And no offense sa customs natin, but if you bring it in here, it's times 300%. And of course, sa laki na ng BIR na binayaran ko, siguro naman, kung mag-LBC shipping cart ako, and I'll use the box na, because he told me, diba, pag C, there's no limit to the weight. And we're building a new house right now, and a lot of my kitchen supplies are going to be coming in via that. Na no limits sa weight, and there were boxes when I shot the pictorial as big as me. So you can expect na pupunin ko yung box na yun.
Okay, LBC, you ready?
Mukha isang
We have to
container
move
na.
it, huh?
Yeah, you gotta move it.
what's the, well, we're talking about packages. What's the most precious thing you've ever put into an LBC box that you trusted with all your heart?
Actually, it just started now because the person who is a reseller that I order a lot of my shoes from in New York was using your competitor. And I said, I'm not going to be your client anymore if you still use the competitor, so you better move to LBC. So, can you order that I placed for 7 pairs of shoes? Pasensya na. In LBC na niya. So, I'd like to say thank you to Rhea because she's helping facilitate it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you got someone who a lot of the artistas order shoes from, who sends almost on a weekly basis to all of us, will now be sending it via LBC.
Rhea, I think we're gonna change your job description, huh?
Oh, well, anyway, speaking of Rhea, how about, I'm sure there's some special people we'd like to also call on stage. Yes, sir, Mike?
Before we proceed, can I invite the Araneta family, Mr. and Mrs. Lingoy Araneta, Mr. and Mrs. Dino Araneta. Can we have you on stage, please?
Then your children said, no, we have to live on with a legacy. And that's why for 63 years there has been LBC, and the next generation seems to be doing an awesome job. In fact, Carlos, who was my classmate, is now North America based because that's where the majority of your business seems to be. Tama? So, nakinig naman ako dun sa briefing. Hi, Monica, right? No, this is?
My
Martha. Okay.
sister's wife.
And then,
And Dino, our Chief Strategist Officer.
is your what?
My brother.
Okay.
My older brother.
Okay. And then, ilan kayo involved?
No, all my siblings are all involved.
Okay.
My sister's not here. She's currently out of the country.
Okay.
She runs the foundation.
Wow.
And then Carlos in North
Is
America.
in North America,
Yeah.
yes.
And then myself and Dino here.
Wait, Cinderella, the sister, what does the foundation do?
Nena, are you here? Can you...
Nena's there, come
It's
over.
focused mostly on education, children, community, and then also disaster.
That's good because, diba, I think you really have to give back.
Of course.
It was actually fitting, we have during disasters, it's always hard to get goods to the
True.
relief areas. So.
Ay, how nice. I was also told na apart from Iraq, you're in every single country in the world.
Not naman.
Sabi nila.
Getting there.
Getting there, yes.
Hopefully wherever you shop.
Okay.
Chris,
No, but
which
we're-
country do you want to open?
I'm sorry.
Which country do you have in mind?
No, I was just asking na lahat ba, are they present in every country? Because Filipinos are working in almost every country, diba? And then they said, wherever there are Filipinos, we are there, except for Iraq. That was what was mentioned to me when I was shooting the commercial.
Someone was bragging.
Okay. That's okay, but it's good to brag. Because think big and become bigger.
To move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it.